is Ashwini from Sampurna Arogya Institute of Yoga. Now I will tell you how to do Pranamudra, what are the benefits of Pranamudra and how long you can practice. So, మనం అసలు ముద్రాస్ ఎందుకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి? Why they are practicing mudras? అంటే మనలో ఉండే పంచభూతాలు, నేచర్లో ఉండే పంచభూతాలతో మనము సింక్ అయి ఉండాలి ఎప్పుడైనా, అప్పుడే మనకి సంపూర్ణ ఆరోగ్యం లభిస్తుంది. సో అందుకని చెప్పేసి మనం ఎలా ప్రాణముద్ర ఎలా చేయాలి అంటే నేను చెప్తాను. నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ యువర్ palms. You have to keep your palms on your laps. That means you have to rest. Sit comfortably, peacefully. Back should be straight, neck should be straight for practicing mudras, so that you can get the benefits of it. Benefits of practicing the Pranamudra. How to do Pranamudra? First of all, you have to join your thumb, which indicates the fire element, and ring finger indicates the earth element, and little finger indicates the water element. So we are balancing all these three elements by joining our thumb, ring finger and little finger. The other two fingers, that is forefinger and middle finger, should be kept straight, and your palms should face the roof. Rest your palms on your laps. This is Pranamudra, and concentrate on inhalation and exhalation. So you can practice this Pranamudra at least 5 minutes to 45 minutes. If you have time, you can practice up to 45 minutes. Otherwise, if there is no time for you, then practice for 5 minutes, and you can enjoy the benefits of doing this Pranamudra. So now I will tell you what are the benefits of doing this Pranamudra. It enhances the blood circulation. It improves the blood circulation. It is very good for eyesight and improves the immunity. It is also good for functioning of vital organs such as lungs and the heart. And what are the contraindications of this Pranamudra? Pregnancy women, those who are in pregnancy, they should not practice this Pranamudra because it just heats up the body.